Megahit gives you audience insights to monetize your B2B newsletter. It finds your subscribers' job information based on their email addresses, names, LinkedIn profiles, job functions, companies, and much more. It even works for Gmails. Then it gives you detailed audience statistics to show to sponsors. This helps you sell more ads and increase your ad prices. CJ Gustafson from Mostly Metrics doubled his ad prices when he got these statistics, and he has been selling out his ad inventory far in advance. Curtis Haney from SMB Finance OS sold more than $50,000 in ads with this data in just a few weeks. You can also use the data on individual subscribers to increase your revenue. SOEFacts used Megahit to find sponsors among their audience. They sold more than $50,000 in ads to people from their audience. They filtered to founders and CEOs and marketers and reached out to good prospects. Reaching out to their own subscribers led to easier sales conversations, bigger deals, higher close rates, and ultimately more than $50,000 in ad sales. You can also use the data for targeted sends, either on behalf of an advertiser or for your own purposes. For example, if you're running a sponsored dinner for founders in California with 100 employees or more, you can find those subscribers and invite them to your event. There are many more ways to monetize this data. I'm very happy to show you more based on your specific circumstances. Please book a demo at Megahit.app.